Alright guys, so I'm gonna do an example on solving for and graphing linear inequalities. So again, like regular equations, the main objective here is to leave y by itself. So for 3x minus 4y less than 12, I'm going to try to leave y by itself. So to do that, I'm gonna start by subtracting 3 from both sides. So minus 3x minus 3x. And from this, the 3x and the negative 3x go away. I'm left with negative 4y is less than 12 minus 3x. Okay, so that's pretty much what I do first. Now it's almost done. Just gotta get rid of that negative 4. Well, I have negative 4 times y, so the inverse operation of times, it's divide. So divide 4 divided by negative 4. Notice I'm going to divide everything by negative 4. Divide everything by negative 4. So pretty much these 4's will cancel out. Check what I'm going to do. So I am left here with y. Now because I divided by a negative value, negative 4, because the 4 was negative and I divided both sides by negative, the less sign it's going to switch. So it's going to switch from less to negative. That's what's going to happen. Now, okay, now let me simplify this. 12 divided by negative 4, or positive divided by negative, gives me negative 3. And then negative 3 divided by negative 4, negative divided by negative, it's positive. So I'll be left with 3/4 x. 3/4 x positive. Now, notice what I did. I pretty much switched the order. So this value, this negative 3, just put it on this side. And this 3x over 4, I just placed it on this side. The order doesn't really matter. Okay, I just like to have it this way, because it's in the form of the y equals mx plus b, or something like that. Now, it's almost done. Just also remember, just to clarify this for some students, when you have 3x over 4, you can rewrite this as 3 over 4 x. They are both the same thing. That's what I did here. This 3x over 4, I just rewrote it as 3 over 4 x. They are the exact same thing. Alright? Nice. Now, graphing it, let me use my blue marker. So to graph it, it's the same way we graph regular equations. So the negative 3, that is my y-intercept. So I'm going to go on the y-intercept 3 units down. 3 units down. That's my y-intercept. Now my slope, well, remember that the number in the denominator, that's my run. So I'm going to run 4 units to the right. So let me go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's positive, so I'm going to go up 3 units now. 1, 2, and 3 units up. And there are my 2 points. Now I can make my line. But remember that because this one doesn't have the equal sign under it, it's going to be a dashed line. So it has to be a dashed line. There you go. There you go. That's my dashed line. Now the shading piece. So a lot of students are also struggling with the shading piece. It's a greater. Okay, so it says y is greater. I always read it from left to right. So y is greater than this. So pretty much in greater, I'll pretty much place my pen anywhere on top of the line. Anywhere. Let me choose this point here. That's anywhere on top of the line. Now because it's greater, I'm gonna go. Let's go a unit up here. Pretty much this is how you identify what's above your graph and what's below your graph. Just go up. So it's greater, so that means it has to be shading upwards. So I'm going to shade everything here. And there you go. That was the shading piece. Okay, and that's it for this video. This is graphing, solving for and graphing linear inequalities. Alright.